Hello, my name is Teacher Doris and today we're going to work with the books, letters and sounds. And you have homework on page number 14. We are going to continue with, we are going to start with the letter T. The sound of the letter T is t, t, t. Like in tiger, t, tiger. Okay, let's start with the blends. Ta, to, ti, te, ta. One more time. Ta, to, ti, te, ta. Tiger, tiger. Right, let's continue with the letter L. The letter L has a sound, and the sound is O. O. Like in lamb, lamb. Okay, let's start reading the blends of the letter L. La, le, lo, la, li. One more time. La, le, lo, la, li. Right. The next one is the letter B. B. The sound is b, 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 like in bear, bear, bear. Okay, let's start the blends. Ba, bo, bi, be, ba. One more time. Ba, bo, bi, be, ba. Bear, bear, bear. Okay, let's continue with the letter N. The letter N has a sound. The sound of the letter N is N. One more time. N. N. Okay, listen. N. Oh, no. N. Oh, no. Okay, let's read the blends. No, ne, ni, na, na. One more time. No, ne, ni, na, na. Nest, nest. Nest begins with the blend ne, nest. Nest. All right, now the letter M. The sound of the letter M is like in monkey. Like in monkey, okay? Right. Ma, mo, mi, me, ma. Okay, one more time. Ma, mo, mi, me, ma. Monkey. Repeat. Monkey. Monkey. All right. Letter H. H. The sound of the letter H is one more time. Yes, very good. He, ha, he, ha. One more time. He, ha, he, ha, ho. Ho. Hen, begin the blend. He, hen, hen, hen. Okay, let's continue with S. S. The sound of the letter S is S. S. Yes. Okay, let's read the blends. Sa, o, si, se, sa. Sa, so, si, se, sa. Listen. seal. Listen, seal. Okay, let's read the blends of the letter C. Okay, C. The sound of the letter C is k, 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 and the sound of the letter K is k, k, k. Let's read the blends. Ka, ki, ko, ke, ka. One more time. Ka, ki, ko, ke, ka. And this is a cat. 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 We have a new letter. We have a new letter. This letter is the letter D, like in Doris, my name. D, D, D is the sound. Listen. D, Doris. Dog. Aha. The letter D has a sound, and the sound is D, D, D. Okay, this is the capital D, and this is the little d, okay? Little d. This is a dog, dog. Right, I have some pictures that begins with the letter D. I'm going to say the name of the picture and you have to repeat after me, okay? Yes? Okay. Listen. Dog. Repeat. Dog. Very good. Drum. Drum. Duck. Dolphin. Dolphin. Deer. Deer. Dots. Dots. And the last one is doll. Doll. Okay, we finished for today. See you next time. Bye bye.